It's time for the shop shuffle. So I've been standing in my shop today, turning in circles, trying to magically come up with more space. It ain't working. I almost never use this thing, but I'm not willing to get rid of it because when I do use it, when I do need it, it's quite handy to have a scroll saw. It's not a tool I use every day, but it is, sometimes it works really nicely. I used to have it off in the corner over there, tucked away in the corner, gathering dust, nicely out of the way. It was great, but then I needed a place for my new X-Carve. Again, a tool that I don't think I'm going to use every day, but I still want it here in my shop at hand. So I put that in the corner there because I couldn't find a place for that. And now I gotta find a place for this. So today we're doing the shop shuffle, and I have a feeling that I'm just gonna find a temporary place for it and live with it for a while and see if that works or not. That's where it used to be. The X-Carve is there, no room there. The rest of the bench is full of sanding tools, no room there. In fact, that's too crowded. I really should try to make some space. No room here. Full, 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 full. No. I thought about some sort of a flip up or flip down thing here, but I'm not sure I like that idea either. So last corner of the shop, I got my planer and my miter saw here on my mobile cart. I bring this out when I need to use it. I've got some sheet goods storage there. It's really low right now. I got some wood up there. I've got wood storage back here. This is kind of a junky space. I've considered building another flip top table. I think I'm going to end up putting it here. But I'm really not sure. So I don't really want to make a really big complicated unit. I think I'm just going to throw together kind of a sketch, if you will, and live with it for a while. Build something out of scrap plywood, see if I like it, see if it's usable, and we'll see. So I want to keep this pretty small. Looks like about 23 inches from back to front, so I can have this thing bolted down. I kind of like the table to extend out a bit so I can work at it. I've got a little bit of vertical space here, but not a whole lot. So I think the top of the cabinet is going to be about 28 inches off the ground so that I can still slide this underneath. They're pretty narrow. The table is only 15 inches wide. So yeah, 14, 16 inches wide, whatever I can work with in my scrap plywood. This was some really gnarly old plywood from my garage. It had dirt and everything on it. So this is one time when I thought it was a really good idea to break out the coarse sandpaper and the brush and to clean it all off before I put it through my nice saw blades. Even so, I should probably put in the old blade in the table saw. These old casters I have are about 3 inches, 2 3/4 inches high. Since I want a 28 inch high platform, take off 3 inches, and I want a box that's about 25 inches tall. may not look like much, but wait till I get the Scrollsaw on it. Yeah, it's still not going to look like much. What did I tell you? So I do have some mounting bolt holes in the Scrollsaw. I don't think it really needs it. It's not going anywhere, but I'm probably going to just bolt it down anyways because it's quick and easy. So there we are, totally homely, totally ugly, but totally practical and useful and tucked away into the corner. Okay guys, that's about it for this one. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next time. What if I move that wall? I'm still recording. Pause button.